if you're looking for an all-in-one platform to kickstart your online business, you might have come across Systeme.io. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's dig into the details and see if it's worth your time and investment. Systeme.io positions itself as a comprehensive solution for entrepreneurs, offering tools for email marketing, sales funnels, online courses, and affiliate management all in one place. Right off the bat, the user interface feels intuitive, which is a definite plus for beginners. You can easily set up landing pages and sales funnels with its drag and drop editor, making it accessible even if you don't have a tech background. However, while the core functionalities are there, some areas feel a bit undercooked. For instance, the email automation features, while functional, might not be as robust as what you'd find in dedicated platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Plus, the course creation tool is decent, but lacks some advanced features that seasoned creators might expect. Overall, it seems tailored for those just starting out or looking to consolidate their tools, but it might leave advanced users wanting more depth and flexibility. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Systeme.io offers an impressive range of features for the price, which is quite competitive. The ease of use and the ability to manage multiple aspects of your business from one dashboard is a real time saver. Additionally, the customer support seems responsive, which is reassuring for new users. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The lack of advanced email marketing features could be a deal breaker for those who rely heavily on this aspect. Also, the design options for landing pages might feel somewhat limited to those looking for more customization. Lastly, while the pricing is appealing, it's worth noting that some users have expressed concerns over the platform's stability during peak times. In conclusion, Systeme.io is a solid choice for beginners or small business owners who want a straightforward way to manage their online presence. However, if you're an advanced user or have specific needs for email marketing and customization, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try if you fit the target audience, but do your research first.